Right, another wee video. I've done a video earlier on of raking these 4 locks, but I kept this one separate because I wanted to show you something different. This is a 2460 Avis, right? Those are their 4 locks. There's a spring tension on the core. If you look there, there's absolutely no movement in that core, which means there's no spring tension on it. We'll try and pick it here. You false set there. Get up below it or above that pin there. There we go. Job done. But I'll see if I can show you. I don't have to show you now. There's a halga. If you see the tension, it's just springing back. And that happens on most disc locks. Oh, sorry about that, chaps. That happens on most disc locks. There's spring tension on the core. Now, if you're going to be picking that wee Avis, don't put no tension on the core because it doesn't have a spring. That's all I wanted to show you. Bye, good luck.